Those battles usually start with either the stunt team or the VFX team.
Yes, sir.
We owe it to Sam Hargrave to create these amazing stunts for Titan.
We've got a room full of movie stars. We've got 3 franchise-carrying actors here.
This is our first day. Here we are in Pinewood in Atlanta, and it's actually pretty unbelievable. You can actually engage in this collaborative, creative conversation about what should this look like.
We would show them our previous material just to let them know, like, these are the certain things that you would be working with to get to this final product.
It's gonna look awesome.
When Chris does it.
Every character, every hero involved has to use the highest level of their power just to stay on the battlefield with him.
The big two, Thanos versus Iron Man. This is the showdown. This is what it's all about. This is what the whole movie's leading up to right here. We got Robert Downey Jr., Josh Brolin going hand to hand right here.
Stark.
How do you know my name?
I know your soul. It is much like mine, cursed with knowledge.
My only curse is you.